Hello, super third graders, and welcome to Math Today. It is Wednesday, May 1st. We are in the last month of school. I can hardly believe it. We do not have live class Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday because of RISE testing. Then the same with Monday through Thursday. There will be no live classes. Here are our class rules, but we don't need to read them because it's not live class today. Today I am using counting and or a multiplication chart so that I can see the relationship between addition and multiplication. I'll know I got it if I can finish my individual work page with little or no help. So we are using multiplication, adding a number to itself over and over again. We will be using a multiplication chart or our knowledge of counting skills. So I'm going to send you the link for skip counting by 7 in the email because it won't let me stream it here. And I will also be sending you the link to skip count by 8. I need you to watch both of those videos and practice the skip counting skills. So your hero to-do list today, finish your individual work page. You need to email me or text me back your answers on the next page. Fill out the exit ticket, and please remember to spend 20 minutes in iReady Math. Tomorrow's class will be a recording again, and I will email you the exit ticket link as well. This is what your page looks like. You are working on multiplying by 8 and multiplying by 7, and you have the multiplication chart to use if you need it. I know skip counting by 5 is a lot easier for me than skip counting by 7 and 8. So use that multiplication chart as much as you need, and I will see you guys soon. Have a fabulous, wonderful Wednesday.